fuck is all of this? What's that?
I ain't got time for all that little giddy stuff. I'm trying to make that money, boo.
Boo!
Yeah, boo.
Bro, like a fucking booty you laying on.
What's good, my YouTube family? It's your girl Sarah with the goddamn H up in this bitch. Okay. Anywho, I'm going to church. We're gonna have a little Bible study. I'm gonna go with my El Madre. Okay. So I'm gonna give y'all a little, y'all gonna come with me. Y'all gonna come with me and see what I do on my daily basis. Okay, daily. Okay. So let's get the vlogging today. So, all right. I gotta say bye to the hubby. Bye, hubby. Say bye.
Hey, bring me back some cornbread.
Huh?
Yeah, I know y'all got some food in that church, so let me see. Spaghetti, cornbread, chicken, beans, broccoli and cheese casserole, strawberry soda.
This is not no damn Thanksgiving.
They got food in there. It's just for all the homeless and the poor.
Bye.
And the rich. So just bring it back and feed me. Because I need to be fed.
Ain't nobody gonna feed you. Okay, so we're off.
I need to be eating.
Bye, babe.
Yeah.
Somebody trying to feed him. You would think it's somebody trying to feed his little butt. Somebody trying to feed him. See y'all later, kiddos. Alright, look like where mama going? No, don't go, mom, don't go. Oh, it's chilly outside. And I'm trying to be all cute and wear something cute and stuff. No ma'am. No ma'am. It's too cold outside. Alright, y'all. So let me get this truck. Oh, I'm looking ugly. You know, somebody said that in the comments. I'm like, oh, said ugly. Girl, I like being called ugly. Love it. I love it. Okay. Girl, look at my hair, y'all. Like, I don't know. Okay. Anywho, okay, y'all, what y'all don't know is I'm really going to church, okay? I really is, okay? But when I come back, I'm gonna play a prank on Mr. DJ, on DJ, okay? I'm gonna come back really hood, okay? Really hood. I'm really in from the hood though, okay? For those that know me, know where I grew up at. So, yes, I am gonna act really hood, like hood, like from the hood, okay? So that's what he don't know. But I'm gonna tell y'all today it's a prank. I just love me. Okay, so we gonna see what happens. I'm gonna change clothes. I got the clothes already in the back. I got it prepared and ready and everything. He was like, what? Did you bring your demons? Like from church? Did you bring other people's demons with you, you know? So we'll see what happens. So wish me luck. Okay. See y'all in a bit. What's good, my YouTube family? Okay. So as y'all can see, I changed. And I is ready. Okay? As y'all can see, I got the hair going. I got the black outfit on. And baby, let me show you what I'm wearing with. Alright? Look at that. Cause you can't touch me. Okay? So we gonna get the prank going. DJ has no idea I'm on my way home. And I'm about to get him. Yeah. Okay? And we gonna see how this turns out, cause I'm gonna come in like a little hurricane. Rita. Okay? Laura, Harvey, for those Texans, Harvey, you know. I'm gonna come in like a little hurricane, and he'll be like, what is going on? Like, why? Okay? And but before we get there, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. It looks like a little bell to the left or to the right, or never eat slimy worms, so one of those, okay? And comment down below and say Team Sarah all day, every day, because she is banging, okay? And make sure you comment and a share and a like. I already said comment. Girl, what the? Okay? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get this prank started. He has no idea, and I am ready to just you know, blow his mind. He gonna be like, who is this girl right now? Because for those who know me, you know, like, I grew up in the hood. For those who really know Sarah, okay? But yeah, we're gonna get that prank started. Okay. So I will see y'all in a bit, because y'all gonna like this one. I already know y'all gonna be like, I want to see more Sarah, because she funny, you know? She funny. And no doubts about it, boo. Okay, see y'all in a bit. Hey, baby. What you gonna do? Put it on smack and stuff. What you got going on? Huh?
Who the hell are you? Where you coming from?
I was your wife. What you talking about?
You was my wife.
Yes.
No, the wife that left was right here to go to church.
Now, boo.
What happened to the clothes you had on before you left?
What?
You had on a whole different outfit before you were just standing right here.
What you talking about? Because I had this on the whole dang on time.
Sarah, do I look like I'm some goddamn cuckoo nigga that's all here just retarded and shit? Like I'm just
What the fuck is a cuckoo? What is
a cuckoo motherfucker? Do I look that fucking stupid? You left here in a blue jean dress and you was going to church with your mama.
Nah.
Where the hell you coming back from? What is all this?
Baby, I'm showing you not get out. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh man, bro.
Like,
what church you done went to and got turned out, man? You get on your knees with somebody?
I'm gonna need you to stop talking to me like
It look
that.
like you made about $25, man. And what the fuck? You ain't even smoke cigarettes where you get that shit
I'm
from?
smoking today. Shit.
Give me that cigarette, man.
Say, get up off my cigarette, man. Shit.
Cause I ain't really trying to fight with you today. You got them fucking heels on. You better step on my foot and I'm gonna be mad. But you know that right there, you ain't had that shit on from
I'll
this
take
house.
the toe out. Don't play with me.
Okay, so hold on. So tell me where you been at. Tell me where you been at, man. And why your purse all jacked up and shit? What the fuck is all of this? What's that?
I ain't got time for all that little giddy stuff. I'm trying to make that money, boo.
Boo!
Yeah, boo.
Bro, like a fucking booty you laid on there. Boot that bag up, man. Bag up something up that damn cigarette in your mouth, man. Get that shit out the way.
Don't touch my cigarette. That cost me $1.
You buying singles now?
I bought singles.
So you been in the hood?
I've been in the hood.
Damn, what church you went to?
In the hood. Back in the hood.
You telling me the preacher got you all turned out like that now?
When they said be yourself, I'm being
And what happened to your hair? It was black before you left.
Think about it. I got it done. What you think? It's kind of cute. I kind of like
What the fuck is that?
it. You know? It's kind of smishy.
You look like the girl off of Hustle and Flow.
Lola?
You got lipstick? Yeah, Lola. Lola. What the fuck I look like, D?
Ooh.
Oh, you dropped the cigarette. That mean you don't need the shit.
Cigarette.
This motherfucking cigarette, man.
See, this how a real G be smoking. They put the pinky out like that.
Bro, you look stupid as hell, man.
How I look stupid? You better watch your goddamn mouth. How
Let me
you
tell you what you
talking
gonna
to
do,
me?
man. Let me tell you what you gonna do. You gonna go back outside and go find that girl that was standing right here and come back in here and bring her up over
She
here.
right here.
What you mean she right here? What the hell is here?
Here?
You can't even spell here.
Yes,
left it. Sarah, don't make me go over there and hurt my hand on
Hunty,
you. You know I'm a big dog. I'm stronger than you anyway. So if I come over there and dive on you, you ain't gonna better do nothing anyway.
How big you is?
Yeah, that don't mean nothing though. I'm the one. I'm the player. The Richard Nail. What you talking about? You don't know about that? I seen you out to go. I trusted you. Go to church. I said, babe, go over there and pray on the family. Get on your knees and pray on your family.
I did.
I need $1 million.
And that's what the Lord said, Sarah, be yourself. So that's what I'm being. I'm being myself.
Fuck that.
I grew up in the hood, so why not be the hood? You know what I mean?
Sarah, you white. What are you talking about? You not hood.
I am a hood Mexican. I am not white. Where did you see white at?
You white.
It don't even say white on my birth certificate, so I'm going to need you to get it corrected, Buta.
What? Buta? You the Buta. What the hell is wrong with you, man? You don't call me that.
Well, you don't be calling me white, because I'm
Man, I told you before you left this house, I said, man, I need that food. Where the food at? What happened to the food? Since you want to come back in the house all hood and shit.
I got you some enchiladas.
Enchiladas? I don't goddamn enchiladas, man. I told you what I wanted, man.
Because I'm Hispanic and I'm from the hood, so we put our foot in it. We twisted it all up like this.
Let me tell you something, man. Straight up, this little shit you got on, you finna come all the way up out this shit. All the way up out of it.
Why are you touching me? Oh, baby. Why you
look too bad. Hey, man, get your ass out the way, man. You trying to be fucking me up.
How am I fucking you up?
Because that ain't what you came up in this house. Now I'm really getting pissed. What corner have you been on? Who lips been touching you?
And did nobody
and what lips you been touching? Man, back up. What lips you been touching?
I ain't been touching nobody's lip. What you talking about? Why you talking to me all crazy and shit? I ain't got time for all that hood rat stuff. You see a hood rat right here? Nah, boo. This is classic hood rat. You better get it corrected.
Girl, I'll bite the shit out your ass, man. Get your motherfucking ass back on somewhere. You know goddamn well you trying to pull one of these old stupid ass jokes and shit. I know what you did. You ain't leave here with no bag, so I know you ain't had no extra change in clothes.
See,
I know that.
Right there, but what you saw right there, that was fake Sarah. This is real Sarah.
Oh, that was the fake Sarah.
That's the fake Sarah. This is real Sarah. This is what you need to know,
church girl went gangster. That's
what it is. This is what you need to know about
Church girl went gangster. That's what it is,
Sarah
right?
that can twerk.
So basically what I am,
Sarah that got the moves. You know, like moves.
So basically what I am, I'm a lame-o. That's what it is. You never liked you never liked the good dude. You never liked the good dude. What happened?
I ain't want to say nothing. I mean, you a good dude and all, but you know what I mean?
I could be a bad motherfucker right now, straight up.
Can you show me, baby, so we can get it together?
Man, I ain't gonna show you a goddamn thing. I'm gonna turn you purple. You keep playing around with me right about now. That's what's about finna happen. Keep it up, sucker. I'm telling you straight up.
Come on, baby. I need to get on my level.
Man, look here, Sarah. You don't want to do that shit. Cause back then, I would have made about a good, $48 a minute on you. Straight up, $48 a minute.
No, I didn't say I was a seller hoe.
Yeah, well, you was gonna do some kissing and other shit. You was gonna be a line up waiting on you too. That's what was gonna happen.
I ain't sucking no
you wanna go like that? I mean, hell, we've been sitting around this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Ramen noodles and shit. We can make. You tell me I could have made a whole lot.
You wanna come get all this? Huh.
Man, god damn, bro.
What you gonna do?
See, you bullshitting, man.
What you gonna do?
Bullshit. We got a whole life. We supposed to turn to God. He told us to be real men and women, husband and wife. And you come around this goddamn place looking like a damn mop. Look at this shit on your damn head. Look at that shit. Loop earrings and mop heads and red lipstick. What the fuck is all these boots and look like motherfucking Catwoman? What is all of this? Sarah, go back out there and get your clothes from that preacher, man. I know he bought that shit from you. Because you ain't been putting no motherfucking money in the pot. I've been noticing that shit. You ain't been donating no money to the pot. Sarah, if I go walk out there to that car, if I don't see...
You got a liar?
Man, look, man.
You stressing me out.
Look, if I go walk out to that car, you listen to me, man.
You stressing me out.
Listen to me, dipstick. If I go walk out there to that... Chewing gum with a cigarette?
Yes, you're stressing me out. That's what I do.
Man, bro, I'm about ready to fire off on you right about now.
What you trying to fire off?
Because I'm really trying to keep cool with you right about now, but at the same time, you can't come.
DJ. Calm down.
Bro, you know this motherfucking cigarette. Fuck is wrong with you?
That was a whole dollar.
Fuck that goddamn cigarette. A whole dollar you lost. Now go find another person you gonna kiss and get $48.
Because that was a whole dollar.
What's wrong with you? I'm gonna snap that shit off your goddamn head, girl. What's wrong with you?
No, this cost me a lot of money, boo. What you doing?
Get that shit out of here. What the hell you got on? Get this stuff off of you, man.
What are you doing right now?
What the fuck is all of this shit? What's wrong with you?
Hey.
What is wrong with you? Say no motherfucking strip tease.
Hey, calm down. I did go to
We ain't go no damn church.
I didn't pray. It was a joke.
I'm in this motherfucking house trying to relax and shit. You fucking with my nerve and shit, man. Goddamn, what's your problem?
Woo! My feet show is hurting.
Yeah, take them cheap ass boots off.
My dog's barking. They're like, brrr.
Oh, really? First of all, so you telling me, hold on, you telling me the whole time you had a Planet camera in this motherfucker?
Yeah,
I could have been scratching my nuts or something. Who would have seen it?
Hey, why you all doing that for?
That's what niggas do. We sit right now, we chilling. What you talking about?
So you tell me all you do is just scratch nuts all damn day.
Man, look here, man. I'm in this bitch laying back like this chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know no cameraman. I'm in this whole chilling. I could have been talking to some girl. I don't know what it is. I could have been doing all kind of shit, you know. I done flipped through about 40 new movies. I done watched House Party 9. I ain't gonna tell you what happened.
You done?
Where you look cameraman, man? Cause I'm getting tired
I
of
told you up there.
Why do I keep missing this fucking camera, man? Why do I keep missing that bitch? Hey y'all, look, whatever y'all see.
Hey, T's here all day, every day.
Whatever y'all see, I didn't know. I didn't know. You don't got your little camera on the suit?
Yeah, I'll get out my
Cause I put that cat on your ass. Get off.
Hey, I'm on your same level, baby. I ain't short no more.
You still ain't taller than me. That don't mean shit. Get out of my way. You make me feel bad for boots on. Take them motherfuckers off, man. Shit, you supposed to be laying out here. I need to be looking at you. You ain't taller than me.
All right.
Damn, dog.
Yeah, all right.
Get all
So
these boots on there.
I put T's here all day, every day. T's here all day, every day.
Cut your camera off, Sarah, before I get some trouble. Cut your camera off before I get some trouble, man.
Make sure y'all comment down below.
Cut your camera off before I get some trouble. Cat running underneath the bed and shit.